What's up, YouTube? This is Nick, and I'll be showing you how to build a Lego puzzle box, not with the ones where you got the stuff in the middle really quick. So, I already built 2 pieces. You get I know that the crocodile's eye. You got one flat piece, and then a 1x1 piece like this, and then take it like this piece and put it right here. It can't be like that one right there. It's got to be like no hold. It can't have that thing right there in there. So now you can slide it, but it will not. It might usually like slide off like that, but not with this part now. So then it doesn't matter if you have the hole in this part. You're just going to stick a regular 2x2 flat right next to the one you just built, like this. Step 3 is to take one of these, one 2x2 slant piece that's really tiny, and you take it there. And then this step will be pretty easy. Here's a recommend for it. Sometimes you'll need some stuff they don't have. So this is the time that I'm letting you wait and then copy off. So everyone can get the next part in here. Okay, now I'm going on with it. Connect one knob here. And on the other side, this would be a 2x2. I do not have a 2x2 with me. I'm really mad at myself. I did not bring a 2x2, so. And then put a regular, if it's like this, it recommends that you could use a vent. Vents just work pretty good for it. So, yeah. And then take another 4x4 regular kickstart and put it right on top of those knobs. And then see it around here? You're going to take a regular smooth piece, and right where you have this piece by that hole, not by this piece, see it right there, you're going to slide a smooth piece into there and make it right there. And then you do the other thing with the end with the vent piece and slip it in. Slip it in. It might be better with the smooth part. I don't know. I don't really try it with the smooth part. And then this is floor 1. You can keep on adding onto this. Like, I'll do one more floor. So everyone gets an example of what it should look like. So, like, you can copy off like me or go like what I did on the bottom. So, and then, like, place that one with the smooth piece. And get this whole smooth green piece, and then just start with the smooth, and then you start to move back and forth, and then you put this here, and then step 3 is if you want, this is a new one that I just added, or you don't have to do it. Well, it doesn't really work. So don't follow that. Just break that piece off if you already did it. So get your regular, another 2x2 right here. Place it on here. And then get another 2x2 here somewhere. And then place it on top of one here. And then I will put a 2x2 regular. I don't think I can find one. Here's one. I'm using knobs again. Knob these here. And this is the last four that I'm doing, so if you like it, subscribe. You can put this piece on top, and I will load and show for you. Okay, so let's put on here. Let's put a regular sized regular sized one in here. Put one in here. Now it's a puzzle box, and here is how you solve. Hit the first one down on the top. Or another one, so I just got that red one out. And the side on this bottom, and then on the side slip out this one. So now you got these, and then right here, keep the ones that you already slipped out, because then you slide them in their place, and then they can get out more, and then you can grab them. Next is on the side where you make this, you slide that part out, and here, and then get to the other side and do the same thing. Slide out. No! Just slide out, and then you basically get it. Keep on doing it with the slide out, and then it'll work. So here is it when it's all done, except for this one on the bottom right there. Can't seem to get it out. Will be out, and it'll look like that. So subscribe to the video. Don't mind the drop. I dropped my iPod.